Hi, this is Brian. Welcome back to my Lawn Guardian channel. So it's about a week and a half after my initial treatment with the recognition and Fusilade II on my Bermuda that's in the St. Augustine. And as you can see, there's a lot of browning of the Bermuda. So it seems to have done a pretty good job. I'm pretty happy with it. Um, it didn't really have that much of an effect on actually at all on the St. Augustine. It's still pretty green, and I think that a lot of what that had to do with was adding the nitrogen along with the whole mixture that I did, and I also followed up with another treatment of nitrogen over this past weekend. So today is April 22nd, and I treated it April 10th. So these are the results after that, just like I said, about a week and a half. So it's done a pretty good job with no damage really to the St. Augustine. Just all the browning you see is the Bermuda. So it's done a really good job with that. Um, and you can see I'm kind of moving different parts of my front lawns. It's done a great job. Probably the only thing I was a little disappointed with was I had wanted to do the treatment just to treat the Bermuda and also to treat the other weeds since I just get them all in one shot. But it had a good effect on some of the weeds where it killed almost all of them like in a couple of days. The ones that some of the ones I treated, but then others it maybe yellowed them a little bit, and others it really didn't have much of an effect at all. So I was kind of disappointed with that. Usually I use Celsius, and Celsius pretty much wipes everything out when I use that, and Sledgehammer wipes out the sedge. Um, I was definitely a little disappointed with that part of it, but so I'm just gonna have to treat those areas with Celsius. But the the Bermuda, it's definitely done a great job with that, I think. So we'll see. It'll give it another couple weeks whether I need to treat it again or not. It doesn't look like I'll have to, but we'll see. I'll give it some more time. The one in the backyard um, the Bermuda in the backyard needs a little probably needs a little more time. See if that comes along better because that's a little greener than this one. So that one might have to be treated again. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But so far, I've been very happy with that, and just give it some more time. A week and a half is a pretty good results up to that short of a time. And then, like I said, for the regular weeds, I'm just going to treat those probably with Celsius and Sedgehammer, and then see how that goes with that. Anyway, thanks again, and I'll give you another update. Maybe give it another week, week and a half, and give another update. Thanks again.